Hey guys, so today's video I was really excited about. I'm kind of nervous like getting back into filming videos again. Like what? It's weird. I have a new couch that I'm filming on. Okay, so my mom picked out all of these products. She tried to go down a really clean beauty route because she's been trying to live a very clean lifestyle. She gets most of her food, I believe, from the farm stands around where she lives, so her and my dad eat very like clean and healthy, and I try to do the same as well. It's kind of hard to do that when I travel, but when I'm home I try to do it as much as I can and support like local farmers. Very excited to try these products out. Most of them I have not tried before. Since I am coming back onto YouTube and I am pretty like new again and fresh to this again, please leave me a comment down below on like what sort of videos that you want to see more of, or video ideas. I am all ears. I want to do like some more beauty, more fashion, whatever. I'm just curious about what you guys want to see as well, and I think without further ado we can just hop into the video. Wow, this is weird. Okay, as you can tell, I am tired today. I went on a date last night and I stayed out kind of late. Dating, it's very interesting these days, I'm not going to lie. So starting out with this tinted facial oil, this is the thing that I was the most excited about trying. It is by Kosas, I think that's how you say it, this brand. Really excited about this. So I think you're supposed to shake it like this. Okay, so it's very watery, like super watery. I'm definitely going to spill this all over myself. I'm going to use my fingers to apply it. Also probably would help if I brought a mirror over here to put my makeup on with. It definitely feels like an oil on my face, which is really nice. Oh wow, okay. You know what? I was really excited about this, but it's kind of sticking to like the dry spots on my forehead. I don't know if you can see. It's really nice on my cheeks. The coverage is nice though. It covered up my dark circles relatively well. It looks really good on this part of my face. It's just like right here, for whatever reason. Like you can tell that I have makeup on, I think. Maybe I just don't really ever wear makeup on my forehead, so I'm like noticing it more. You know what? I'm going to get my beauty blender in here on my forehead and maybe that will help it a little bit. I just didn't want to use a beauty blender or a brush to put it on because it is an oil. It's super watery and I feel like something like this would just soak up all of the product. Okay, that looks so much better now. I don't know if it just took off some of the product or if it blended it in better or what, but it looks so much better now that I've like beauty blended it. I'm using this Rose Quartz Crystal Gemstone palette by Aether Beauty. It's a really cute little palette. It's like crystal inspired. Super pretty colors, all really kind of natural and peachy. The only thing I don't like is that there's no mirror. So I'm gonna start out with this color here and just bring a bit of that into my crease. I am pale right now, so that actually looks like it's color on me. That actually looks a lot more peachy on me than it did in the palette. Going in with this darker matte color here, adding that on the outer corner of my eye and blending it inwards a little bit up into the crease. Pigment is pretty good on these. My mom specifically requested that I use this color here on my eyes in some way. I'm adding this to like the inner corner of my lids and it's very pink when I'm actually applying it. Like it's quite pink. This is a clean brush and I'm just kind of blending out the edges of everything around here. I think this is just going to be kind of like a simple eye look today. Like it's pretty and peachy and purpley, but simple. And then going into this golden color here. There's a lot of fallout when I tap the brush. I don't know if you can see, but there's like a lot of stuff that comes off. So I'm putting this kind of in the middle of my lid for a little bit of a spotlight. And then my inner corner. Everything looks so much more pink when I put it on than when it's in the palette. For my brows, I am using Milk Makeup's Kush Fiber Brow Gel. I'm just going to stick a bit of this into my brows. You have to be a bit careful with this product. It can be really easy to hit your skin with the brush and then have like a clump of product attached to your skin versus like filling in your brows. But once you do have the hang of it, it is quite a nice product. For concealer, my mom suggested the Rms Beauty Uncover-Up. I also ordered all of this online, so I have no idea if it's the correct color. So I'm just gonna use my fingers for this as well. Oh, it's too dark. Oops. This is actually really nice. I love this product. Even though the color is a bit off, I'll put a little bit of that foundation over it. The color is actually not that off. It just looks off when I put like a thick amount on. Wow, this is really nice. I really, really, really like this. See, I think that I don't like the luminizer when other people have used it on me, so I've kind of written the brand off. Now I get it. Now I get it why people like this so much. So my mom suggested this Drunk Elephant Anti-Pollution Sunshine Serum. And when I typically use this, I put this in foundation or moisturizer for a little bit of an extra tint on my skin, but she suggested I use this as a bronzer. So we're going to see how that's going to work. Okay, there's glitters in it. I forgot about that. I don't know if that's going to work, Mom. I'm like nervous. Okay. I think I can work with this. It might be a bit more glittery than I want it to be, but the pigmentation is really, really good on this product. It definitely looks a little bit metallic, but now that I'm blending it in, the metallic is kind of going away. Okay, I made a fuss out of that literally for nothing, which is kind of the story of my life. So for powder, I'm using Glossier's water. This is a substitution thing that I added myself because my mom did not suggest a powder, and I was like, you know what, I want a little bit of powder to set under my eyes. So just sticking a little bit of that on my forehead, under my eyes, etc. For blush, I am using the Olive Me Multi-Stick by Ilia, and this is actually one of my favorite brands. Add a little bit of that onto my cheeks. There's a little bit of like a, I don't know, warm undertone to it, so it looks like a very natural blush. I'm just going to give these a quick curl. This is such good tea. I got it at Fortnum & Mason. My mom used to make me cups of English breakfast tea whenever I was sick and like give me toast and butter, and it was the most amazing like sick meal ever. So now whenever I drink English breakfast tea, I think of my mom. I am using the Ilia After Midnight Limitless Lash Mascara. Ooh, let's see how this works, because I actually already had this, but I don't think I used it before. So let's see how it works. It's very lengthening and separating. It's not really thickening, but it adds a really nice length. Okay, I really, really love this mascara. I'm going to take this out of hiding and start using it immediately because it's really nice. So my mom suggested that I get this Rms Beauty Living Luminizer. So I've had makeup artists use this product on me before, and I did not like it. I did not tell my mom this because I didn't want to hurt her feelings or feel like I don't like that product, so I'm not going to use it. I just wanted to go by what she wanted me to do. It is really pretty in the pot. I love the packaging. I'm either going to really surprise myself or I'm going to be right. Okay, you don't like it. Okay, it's a really nice highlighter if you like a really natural highlighter. I like a little bit more of an intense glow. I mean, I think it looks good in the camera. I'm kind of like looking at the screen and it looks fine, it looks good, but it's not my favorite. Ilia makes a really, really nice natural highlighter that's a bit more intense than this, but still has that really natural look. I'm using another product from Kosas. This is their Weightless Lip Color in the color Fringe. I think my mom picked this color. Oh, look, she smushed it. These all came while my mom was visiting me, so she was like trying out some of the products. I secretly think that she got this lipstick because she wanted it herself, and she knows that I'm not going to wear it, so yes, Mom, you can have it. I'm going to add a bit of a light wash of color to my lips, so I'm just adding a tiny bit of it on there and using my finger to rub it in. Oh, it's actually really pretty like this. It goes on like very matte. Oh, I actually really like the color like this. I don't think I would wear it like full force because it's quite an intense color for me, but I I think it's really, really pretty like this. It's almost like a pinky coral. Mom, I was not expecting to like this. Final verdict, I actually really like how the makeup turned out. I need to fill in my brow a little bit more. Wow! I like this a lot. I actually really love this lip color. The foundation was bomb. I just don't like that little like patchy part on my forehead, so I think if you have dry patches, I would pass this up and go for like a tinted moisturizer if you want something that's like this. The luminizer, I mean, it's fine. It's a fine luminizer. It's a really good luminizer if you like a really, really natural look. Thank you so much to my mom for helping me pick out these products. I love you so much, and I miss you, and I know that you're watching this. And also I love you too, Dad, because I know that you're watching this on the TV with the dog sitting in your lap and my bird on your shoulder. So thank you to everyone else watching. I'm excited to be back on YouTube and filming more videos, so I hope to see you in the next one. Mwah.